working with Ayurveda Anytime and Amrita has been so supportive to just really pay attention to my night routine, my morning routine, the rhythms in my day. I've been sleeping better. I've been prioritizing my sleep. I feel more like my energy is something that I can help support in my own being so that my creative work and the other things I want to do can actually happen. I feel safer in my body. I feel more joyful, more at ease. I truly, truly think that anyone who's really looking for a major transformation in how they cultivate and use their energy, this is a perfect place for you, and really is a journey for longevity, for total life change. Amrita is here for you for the mental, the emotional, the spiritual, and the lifestyle changes, and they are not easy to make. And having this bi-weekly support network and really daily support network through the WhatsApp group, you will be surrounded with resources in all dimensions of health to change your life from the inside out.